Get your heels all the way down in between and try to stabilize that upper body. Yeah, we're trying to eliminate the double bounce by going slow. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7. Fifth, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second, fifth, second, fifth, second, fifth. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Take a second. Stretch your calves if you need it. And we're going to learn the next combination. I'm going to show you our Petit Allegro combination. And actually, you start with your right leg back in 5th position. You're going to have a you're going to have a glissade to the right to start. So start in plie, glide to the right, glide right. Then you jete, bring that right leg out from behind and land on it. Pas de bourrée, go back, side, front. Now you're going to assemble. You assemble the legs in the air and the arms are going to come up. Assemble. Yes. Now your back leg comes through to arabesque. You're going to failli, land on it, and then assemble again. Arms come back up. Assemble. Changement twice. 1 and 2. Start it over. Glissade. Arms are in a demi-second. Jeté. They stay there. Back, side, front. They stay there. Come up from assemble. Up. Now this right arm pushes forward for failli. Failli. Assemble. Changement arms second. Changement arms demi-second. So glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, changement, changement. Glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, changement, changement. Yeah? Let's do it with the music. 7, go. Glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, changement, changement. Glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, change, change. Glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, changement, good. Glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, change, change. Good job. Right leg back. Here we go. So, glissade, jeté, pas de bourrée, assemble, failli, assemble, change, change. Good job.